Recall last week I had told very clearly the support here at 110 is going to be a very strong support, and with that we may see higher highs, and once it breaks past this zone here, that is 115 levels, we can see a stronger rise, and see oil has achieved $119. I hope you all profited, and it is also confirmed that there is a stronger support at $110 levels. Now look at this is on the daily chart, but before we proceed with the analysis, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily analysis on crude oil too just before the Asia cash session, and you can watch that. It definitely will help in your day trading decisions. Also you can watch the other analysis on gold, silver, natural gas, or Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, Nifty, or Germany 40 and UK 100. You can watch those also. So first we will look into the charts followed with indicators, and in the end I am going to give you the trading levels, so do watch till the end. Now let's start the day. See, this is the channel in which crude oil is trading. It has seen the support here at $110 levels, and this is what it is trying to trade with. The next resistance at around 119.5 and 120 is going to be there, which is a very strong resistance. Beyond that we may see it hitting a double top there, and we may see it achieving 124 and 128 zones. Achieving the double top, it may try to retrace back a bit on the downside. Right now on the daily chart appears it may try to continue the bullish momentum. See, couple of red candles and couple of strong green candles. Probably we may see a third green candle also, which may try to take it towards 124 and then 128 levels before it looks forward to any further drop. So this is just on the daily charts what we are looking at. Also, if you look at the near term time frames, it is trying to consolidate or trade with a bullish bias here a little. So this is what we can see on the daily charts. Let's come back to the weekly candle. Now look at the weekly candle. After this consolidation at 110, it has broken this barrier and it is giving you higher highs here. So now probably while be looking forward for it to give another green candle, which may try to take it towards $128 levels. Achieving the double top here, it may try to retrace back again on the downside, and then the support here at 110 108 will be coming into picture. So I'll be cautious there next week. See, it has given a flat bottom there, flat head there, indicating there is a possible bullishness, and it may try to resume the bull run from next week onwards, where we can see it hitting 124 first target and 128 next target before it looks forward to any further drop. So this is what we can see on the weekly charts. Also one must say, I had told you this earlier, that it is going to give you a breakout, and the breakout is going to be strong. Now coming back to the monthly, see, look at the monthly candle. It is consolidated here earlier in between $60 to $80, and this is the breakouts, and this is a strong bullish momentum which it is carrying right now. And the highs there at 124, 125, and then 120, 128, 130 is going to be very strong resistance, and probably with that as resistance, it may try to reverse a bit on the downside. Also, if you look at, see, it is almost parallel the previous candle's highs. So I'll be watchful of this zone at 119 for sure, and rather I will recommend you to go long at 119.5. Once it trades beyond 119.5 next week, we can expect it to hit $122, $124 next target, and then beyond that it may try to hit 125.2 and 128 levels. On the downside, as I said, the support there on the downside previously was at 110. Now I'll be looking forward to this zone at 114 level. So if it breaks 114 here, yes, you can go short there. This is also probable that it can try to break a little on the downside. These are markets, boss. Anything is possible. Nobody can be sure that it is going to rise. Nobody can be sure that it is going to drop. We have to just analyze and exercise caution. That is what the best we can do. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see how oil has traded. This was the winning streak, then a reversal, a sharp drop till 110, and then a winning streak. Resistance there at 116. Remember these levels I had told, 116, which may provide a little resistance. Similarly, it did, but with that as resistance, a strong breakout. Now this is the third green candle out there. The body size is diminishing. Possible that we may see a stronger green candle once it opens next week, which may try to take it towards 121, 122 zone. So this is what we can see. But now let's have a look with the help of indicators too. Now look at the 4-hour charts, and indicators here indicate that $114 levels are on the downside, something we should be watching out for. This is going to provide a very strong support for any downside move. The directional movement is strongly bullish. The stochastic is overbought, hence it may try to either give you a sharp green candle and then start to converge or start to drop from there. The MACD is wide and divergent, and it is extremely bullish here on the 4-hour charts. RSI 2 is trying to enter into overbought levels. So yes, couple of green candles taking it towards 122 levels, 124 levels, and then the drop can be expected next week. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, you will find here the support, as I said, 20 period moving average now lying at around 111.5, which is going to be a definitely strong support. Also look at this on the daily charts. It is trading at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands and the channel. Either the Bollinger Bands or the channel has to widen, else it won't sustain. Even if it tries to break out, it may not sustain the overbought levels on the band out there. And if you look at the directional movement on the daily charts, it is diverging, indicating more bullishness. Also, the stochastic has hit the lows. Now it is trying to reverse from there. And yes, the MACD is also divergent, indicating bullishness here. The RSI is sloping upwards. That too is a bullish indicator. Coming to the weekly charts. Also on the weekly charts, 110 levels definitely a very strong support. $100 levels very strong support. 110 very strong support. This zone is something we should watch out for, else it will give you almost a double top before it retraces or recedes from these levels. Now the direction movement is bullish here on the stochastic on the weekly charts, and the direction movement on the weekly chart, the stochastic is overbought. It is trying to converge. Possibly we may see a slightly consolidating or a bullish move this week, and then the drop may follow. So I'll be watchful. The MACD is divergent, indicating bullishness, and the RSI 2 is trying to enter into overbought levels. So in some, most of the indicators are here are overbought on the weekly chart and the daily charts. Probably it may show you some rise before it looks over to any drop. Look at the monthly candle. On the monthly candle, it appears that, see, this is the steps here, and it is trying to give you a sharper green step on the monthly candle, where we can look forward to 128.30 zone. In fact, it can try to rise well beyond those levels, achieving 136 and 140 levels. So this is where we can remain cautious. We can remain cautious here. And if you look at the directional movement, is extremely bullish here on the monthly candle. The stochastic has seen a drop, now trying to look forward to a rise. The MACD is wide, divergent, and it is bullish, extremely bullish. And if you look at the RSI on the monthly candle, is now overbought, hence it needs to drop a little, but when we have to wait and watch. So this is what we can see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Now time for me to give you the trading levels for next. And before I give you the trading levels, so if you want to gain the same expertise, the same understanding of markets, the strategies, if you want to derive on your own and be a profitable trader, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch, which has only couple of seats left, is starting on 6th of June. Reach out to me immediately today, and my email and telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what you will get in this course. Also, if you are interested into signals, you can join my telegram VIP group, and the free channel is already there. You can join that channel to keep yourself updated. Now let's have a look at the levels to go long, and I will recommend you to go long on oil next week. If you see it trading beyond 119.4 levels, then I will be looking forward to 120.2 and 121.83. These two levels, if taken, while we'll directly looking forward to 124.1, and beyond that we may see it rising, taking it till towards all time or near term highs which we have formed, which the oil has formed at around $128. It can go well beyond these levels. Be cautious. Now on the downside, if you see it trading below this zone at 116, then only I will recommend you to go short. Below 116 we have a stronger support at 114, which will provide a stronger support on the downside, and if it passes below 114, one can expect 111.8 and $110 levels. This is going to be a very strong support before it looks over to any further drop there. So it may try to rise or retreat back again from these levels. If it, even if it is trying to drop, you can remain long from $110 onwards. Beyond 110, if it breaks, I'll be looking forward to 107 and 102 and $100 levels. Again a stronger support there, very strong support at $100 levels. Below that, sky is the limit on the downside. Above 128, sky is the limit on the upside. Take your positions accordingly, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Have a profitable week ahead. Join my Telegram channel, free Telegram channel, join my mentorship batch, or join my VIP singles group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.